Boils and ghouls, this is Josh at Random. Happy Halloween. I here to bring you Pete the Cat, Five Little Pumpkins by James Dean. Ooh. Five little pumpkins
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
sitting on a gate. The first one said,
Oh my, it's getting late.
the second one said,
There are witches in the air.
the third one said,
But we don't care.
the fourth one said,
Let's run and run and run.
the fifth one said,
I'm ready for some fun.
ho ho went the wind, and out went the lights. And the five little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Happy Halloween! Ooh. Thank you all so much for following along. If you like this and other haunting read-alongs, please like and subscribe so you don't fear missing out. Thank you, and have a pleasant scare. Happy Halloween. Bye.